Okay, YouTube, Errol, Maine-iac Miner here. Got some stuff the other day I'm gonna scrap out here. Went and got there's like 8 of these. They're phones. I'm only gonna scrap out one on video for you, and then I got this little Netgear thingy here. Not sure what it is, but then I got these, which are Westel something. I thought I'd do a quick scrap on those 3 things for you. Just a quick scrap on some stuff that I picked up. Let's have at it. Alright, you're not sure if that's the best angle or not, but we're gonna do it. So these are Panasonic. I already scrapped out the it's plastic, the earpieces to it because, well, it was just plastic, basically nothing inside, just a couple wires. There. Don't see any more screws. Plastic. Well, we got some circuit boards back here. Take 4 screws out. Got some wires over here. Let's use these. I already dulled these little things up, and I just got them a couple weeks ago. They don't take much. Alright, we got a circuit board there. Got some IC chips. I don't know what them things are, but there anyways. Some wire down inside there, nothing on the back side. Some gold pins right along there. Really small ICs, MLCCs. That's about all I see on there. Nope, got some gold inside there too. Which side am I on? There we go. Gold inside there. Not gold plated, I don't believe. Nope, not gold plated, just wire. What we got here? Speaker, very little wire on it. I guess it's probably too big for those. Yep, I'm gonna have to use the little fella over here. Quite a few on here. 3, 4, 7 screws. It's the first video I've done in a few days. I've been not feeling so good. But I hear that's been going around. My wife ended up with pneumonia. I didn't get that, but I got the pneumonia shot this year, along with my flu shot. So hopefully that helped. We got here. Here we got some LEDs. And that appears to be it. I mean, no gold, no nothing. It's just whatever they normally put. So just LEDs. Those do have gold in them though. Some rubber. Woo. Whoops. Well, that'll teach me to mess around on camera now, won't it? I broke it. Alright, now we got here. Whoops. Plastic buttons. Screw there. Screw there. Huh. Pops out. Wire, some more plastic. And what do we got here? Looks like we got, now let me take it off. That was the only one. It's got these little pin thingies on it. Gotta line these up with the hole. It'll fit out through. Well, these ones I decided to just bend them. Well, look at that. I thought I had to do that to take it out. Guess I didn't. It's the LCD screen. I've been saying it wrong. I've been saying LED, even though I know the difference, but I just kept saying it wrong. LCD screen there. We can keep that aside. Is that unplugged? It probably does somehow. I don't know how, so we'll just cut the wires off here. I just had my scissors. I don't know what I did with them. But as you can see, we got halfway decent IC chip there. And there's some little gold plate in there. Another one there. Some really those light gold fingers like you'd find on a fingerboard on the on a TV screen. Let's see what's in here. Again, 3, 6, 8 screws. Try to do this so you guys can see what I'm doing, but don't always end up that way, does it? Does always. That's not even gold plating. Again, all we got is some LED lights. One across there. One IC chip up there. That isn't even gold, that's copper. Some gold plated pins inside that. Not gold plated in there. That's it, along with some more rubber. some more screws and some more plastic. Alright, so I got 7 more of those to go, but I'll do them after I'm done making this video. I got 2 of these, but I'm only gonna scrap one on video. It says Ethernet on it. I'm not sure what it is. DSL modem. There you go. That's what it is. Says so. Right there. Well, that's an easy scrap. Can I have 1,000,000 of these? Sheesh. Now, 2 pieces of plastic. There. Got some gold fingers in there. Got a lot of those little tiny tantalum capacitors. 1, 2, 3 crystals. One of them's a bigger one. Some small MLCCs in there. A lot of tantalums. Wow, I've never... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 tantalums on it. Whole bunch of little MLCCs on the back. A couple of big capacitors. Little copper bearing bit thingies there. That's about it. And last but not least, we got the Netgear gigabit Ethernet thingy. That way you're going to attempt to tear into too. Anything under the feet? Nope. So, how do you open a little fella? Just like that. Piece of metal. Oh, little piece of extruded aluminum. Betting that's on top of a IC chip, because they normally are. Drop something on the floor. And it still didn't come out. Why didn't you come out? What's holding you in? Nothing. Okay, so we'll have lots of gold-plated pins up in there. These little things, which I don't know what that is. Yeah, it's all these like little pins. With like copper bonding wires. It's really odd. Now let's take this off. Yep, as I thought, one little teeny tiny chip underneath there. Couple MLCCs there and there. One crystal, one IC, a flat pack, or BGA. It doesn't have legs, so I guess that qualifies as a BGA. Another IC in there. Some MLCCs on the back. If anybody knows the difference between... Oh, I'll show you these, because these ones are easier. The brown MLCCs, you see that? And then you got, back here, you got gray ones. And they do have the C beside them, so they're MLCC. So if anybody knows the difference, let me know in the comments below. So there you have it. 3 little simple items. Now I guess I'll do the other one and get those TVs done so I can get them out of the way and get all the plastic out of here. Wednesday's my day, which today is Monday. I'm not supposed to be home, but I've been sick for the last few days and called in sick. I'm feeling a little bit better today. I'll have to go back tomorrow. But Wednesdays is my day that I take everything to recycling, so all my plastic to where I take it. So we want to get those apart so I can do that and get the table cleaned up and stop the wife from yelling at me. So there you have it. Comment, like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you'd like to know what I'm up to. I am doing more videos, as you've probably already seen. I'm doing, right now, with sapping videos is the only thing I got out, but I am going to be doing some more type of videos. So it's not just all scrapping. So that maybe I can get a whole variety of different people wanting to subscribe to my channel, because that is the goal, right? Right. So there. This has been Errol, the Maine-iac Miner. Have a good day.